Group by with multiple columns. We've seen how to group a single column in a query. What if you want to group multiple columns? You can do that in SQL. You just need to add them to the select clause and to the group by clause. Let's remove our ordering and our where clause. In this example, we're selecting the last name and the first name and then a count. We want to see the number of rows for each last name and first name. We then group by last name and first name. This is a pretty simple select query that uses 2 columns and a count. We can then run our query. We can see all of our rows here. We have last names and first names and the count of the combination of the two. In this example, we have 2 records for John Smith. The last name values of Brown are showing twice for 2 separate rows, but they each have a different first name, so the count of that row is only showing 1. This query is a good way to find duplicate data in your table. We can also order the results. In this query here, we're selecting the same data, but we're ordering by the count in descending order. This now shows the record of John Smith at the top because there are 2 records with John Smith. So grouping by multiple columns follows the same rules as a single column. The columns must be in the select clause and in the group by clause.